Hi, in this video we will look at the tabular view in Apsona. The tabular view displays your Salesforce data in a grid with field names in the columns and data records in the rows. The tabular view is available for all objects in Apsona, and all you need to do is go to the object and click on tabular view. When you look at the tabular view for the first time, you will see a set of fields in no particular order, and this view can be configured. All you need to do is go to Set Columns, and these are the fields in the selected box in the view, and we can choose to deselect some of the fields we do not want to see by clicking on this icon, and we can add new fields to the view. We can get fields from the current object and also from objects to which there is a lookup. So let's open the account object and get the account name. I can drag and drop the field, or I can also choose to double click on the field and it shows up. And let's go to campaign and get the campaign name. And let's go back to opportunities and let's get back some of the fields. I'd like to see who my main competitors are, and I'd also like to see the opportunity type. And I can do some rearranging here if necessary. I'd like to see my account name next to the opportunity, and I click apply. So this is my new view, and I can choose to change column widths. I can increase or decrease them. And the new column widths and these fields are now saved and remembered even when I log out and log in. I can do a quick search right here in the box if I'd like to see all my opportunities in the negotiation review stage. All I do is click and do a search. Now I can work with this data. For example, I can choose to change some of the data, and I can choose to change the amount if necessary and do a save. And my new changes are now in effect with no page refreshes. So let's remove this filter. I can also invoke pre-built filters from here. So if I'd like to see a filter of opportunities in 2013, so now I get my filtered data, and I can now go to tools and work on this data. Now I can choose to export the data. I can choose to do an update all or a delete all if necessary, or I can also choose to run a merge mail action. I can also check a couple of records and do an update checked or a delete checked if required. If you go to the contacts tabular view and run a filter, you can also get to add the filtered set to a campaign and also choose to send mass email. You can also now change the rows per page. Let's close off this filter. If right now it's 50 records to a page, I can make it 100. And now I have 100 to a page, and I can check this arrow and move to the next page, pagination. I can also click on this icon here, and this opens the opportunity record in a new window in Salesforce, and I can see the same opportunity in Salesforce and come back here to Apsona. I can also manually add a record by clicking the add button, and I can add an opportunity record and save it right here. So this was the tabular view in Apsona, and these are the features. Many of our users like to run pre-built filters and work on data, like doing a mass update especially. And we hope you find this feature useful. Thank you for watching.